Hello, good day everyone. How are you all today? Welcome back. My name is Hussein and today is 4th of September and we are heading towards the closing of the week, and with less than, I would say, maybe another like 8 to 9 hours to go before the next US job report, which will be actually a final time for the investors to take profit over the overstretched equity positions. The fragile US recovery failed to justify heady stock market valuations, and investors now fear that with slower service growth and a non-farm may fall short of expectation. If that happens, the labor market is weak, the economy is weak, and therefore stocks should be trading lower and not higher. So today's correction in equities, which will be led to broad-based risk aversion in currencies. So the US dollar sold off against the Japanese yen and Swiss franc, but traded higher against all high beta currencies. All right, and looking ahead on Dow Jones Industrial Average, it had I see that there is a room for this to fall back to this trend line, but overall it still remains in the upside. All right, so we can expect a bit of retracement on it, and then we'll see a pullback up to the upside. All right, so on the other hand, like I mentioned earlier, non-farm payrolls is traditionally a very market moving release every early of the month. The impact on currencies has been very limited these few months for a variety of reasons. So the investors either anticipated a weaker number, predicted a recovery, or looked past towards weakness and also recoveries ahead. So there are arguments in the favor of a stronger payroll. We saw the ADP reports for 428,000 in employment change versus 21,000 previously. We had Challenger reports also increasing. We also had non-ISM manufacturing employment index, which actually rises from 42 to 47.94. Right. We also had ISM manufacturing employment index, which actually rises from 44.3 to 46.4. And then on the other hand, we also saw, you see that there is also arguments in the favor of weaker payroll, which is consumer confidence weakening, and also on the other hand, University of Michigan sentiment index was also towards a little bit in the favorable side towards a stronger payrolls compared to the weaker payrolls. We also have got Canadian labor market data we released today, which will be impacting on the USD Canadian pairs. So first of all, like I shared, some of you will be concerned about what's happening to the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Is it another crash? No, it is not. It is just a correction, something like this. All right. So if you see from here, okay, market has to take a bit of rest also before it could rally up. So we still see there's more room coming up to the upside, but it is going to retrace for a while. Then on the other hand, we had beautiful structures developing on major currency pairs, such as we had Walmart forecast. As you could see that it went up. We also had Amazon forecast to the upside. It's going to be retracing a bit. Then we also had forecast on Netflix also up, is still remaining up. Apple also had a split this week. Tesla had a split this week. Then Euro USD made a correction to complete this pattern, and I see that if the payroll are strong, it's going to break this support. And also for Aussie dollar, Aussie dollar also went down as we forecasted earlier of the week. USD CAD we forecasted upside this week, it did happen. Then Euro JPY we forecasted to the downside. If it went down, then it rebounded down. What we will see next week, how it will be developing a new structure. Euro CHF we had a forecast to the downside, it did go down. GBP CAD also we had a forecast to the downside, it completed this pattern, and we will see next week how the market will be responding to it. Starbucks upside, we had upside, it did go up. There could be a bit of correction coming up. Euro JPY we also did not actually focus on that. United Health we had a forecast to the upside, did go up, but it's still playing around in between the channel. And Facebook we had a retracement forecast, which is already happening. Then Dow Jones S&P 500 we did have a retracement, but it's another buying opportunity. All right. And Yandex we had a retracement forecast, but I believe this will be going up overall. All right. And yeah, So it was another, I would say that a profitable week and also exciting week. New patterns has developed. I'm actually very excited about it to see what next week would it be. We will be looking for more trading opportunities, more potential buying or selling opportunities to keep you informed and stay ahead of the market. Alright, so guys, so for now, stay tuned for the non-farm payrolls, which will be coming soon in the economic calendar release. Right, till then, take care. I will be back again next week to bring you all more live London sessions whereby we will be scanning up the market like usual. We will be getting to know exactly what's going on, and then from there we will be taking our actions. Alright, so have a great trading week, right? And we will see you next week again. Thank you very much, and bye bye.